Now we will draw these 5 functions which we have written on the paper before on Desmos graphing. Now while plotting on Desmos, we never write y is equal to x squared, right? Y is equal to 0 or f of x is equal to is equal to is already in the graph itself. We have to just write the function. So first we will do x squared, enter. Now this is the graph, parent graph. This is the parent graph, right? Then we said that if we add 5, the graph moves up as it is without changing the shape. Let's see, x squared. When you have to do square, just plug this button, a squared plus 5. See, graph has moved 5 points up. This is 0 0 and this is okay, it's not showing, but exact, yes, this is 0 5, right? So 0 0 and 0 5, graph have moved 5 points up. Now let's see, press enter and then come to the next time 5. Now I will subtract 5. Let's see what happens. X, okay, from here you can go back, x squared minus 5. See, it has gone down 5 points, exactly down 5 points, 0 and negative 5. So these two are vertical transformations, right? Now let's do another one. Now I will do enter, press enter, a new column will come. Now you have to put parenthesis and then x and then plus 5, close the parenthesis, put squared. See, when I am doing x plus 5 whole squared, it is moving towards left. Then press enter. We will see it one by one. Bracket x minus 5, bracket closed, squared. So it has moved right. Now let's see one by one. We can hide these ones, right? If we want to observe, we can hide these ones. And this is the red color. That means this red graph is for x squared. And this is the black color. That means this black graph is of transformation. This is how we see the Desmos. Okay. Now, when you are doing x squared, this is the graph. So what we learned, x minus 5 will move it 5 points towards right. So this is 5 0. Right? Now let me see x. See, I have deselected this one and selected this one more time so that you can see only these two graphs. So x plus 5 is moving it 5 points towards left. Now let's do this. When I am doing x squared minus 5, this is green and this is the green graph. So it is moving 5 points down. And when I am doing x squared plus 5, it is moving 5 points up. So this is how rigid transformations work.